डियर फ्रेंड्स, मेरा नाम शकील है और आप देख रहे हैं जीनियर शिक्षा। फ्रेंड्स, आज के इस क्लास में हम इंग्लिश पढ़ने का प्रैक्टिस करेंगे, यानी स्पेलिंग के साथ जो है हम इंग्लिश पढ़ने का अभ्यास करेंगे। तो चलिए बिना देर किए हुए आज के इस क्लास को हम शुरू करते हैं। क्लास को शुरू करने से पहले आज के इस क्लास को कर दीजिए लाइक, क्योंकि आप बाद में भूल जाते हैं। तो आइए क्लास को शुरू करते हैं। तो स्टोरी का नाम है द वाइज मैन एंड द मर्चेंट, यानी बुद्धिमान आदमी और सौदागर। तो आइए शुरू करते हैं। वंस ONCE, वंस इन द कंट्री, COUNTRY, कंट्री ऑफ ईरान, IRAN, ईरान। देयर THERE, देयर lived, LIVED, lived a man, 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 who, 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 was, 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 very, 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 wise, 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 once, 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 he, he, was, 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 traveling, TRAVELLING, traveling in a desert, DESERT, desert. He, he, met, MET, met a company, COMPANY, company of, of merchants, 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 who, 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 had, had, lost, LOST, lost a camel, CAMEL, camel. They, THEY, they said, SAID, said to the wise, WISE, wise man, 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 have, 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 YOU, seen, 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 our, our, camel, 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 can, can, YOU, help, 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 us, us, to, TO, find, 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 it, it, we, we, have, 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 lost, 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 one, 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 of, of, our, our, camels, CAMELS, camels. In reply, 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 the wise, WISE, wise man, 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 asked, 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 was, 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 your, 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 camel, 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 blind, 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 in the right, 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 EYE, and lame, 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 in the left, 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 foot, FOOT, foot. Yes, 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 said, 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 the merchant, 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 you must, must have seen, seen it, please, please, please tell, tell us, us where, where is our, our camel, camel, camel. The wise man asked again, 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 have your, your camel lost, lost a front, front tooth, tooth. Yes, yes, it did, did, said the merchants. Did, did the camel have a load, load, load of wheat, wheat, wheat and honey, honey, honey on its back, back, said, said the wise man. Absolutely, absolutely, absolutely right, right, right. The merchants reaffirmed, reaffirmed, reaffirmed. Now, now, perhaps, perhaps, perhaps you will, will tell, tell us where, where did you see, see the camel. I have not seen, seen your, your camel. The wise man said. The merchants, merchants, merchants got, got angry, angry. They, they said, you must, must have seen it. You have stolen, stolen, stolen our, our camel. You have robbed, robbed, robbed us. You know, know, यहाँ पे के जो है साइलेंट रहता है, नो everything, everything, everything about, about the camel. No, no, said the wise man. I have neither, neither seen your camel. The merchants did not believe, believe, believe him, H-I-M, him. They, T-H-E-Y, they. Took, T-O-O-K, took. Him, H-I-M, him. To, T-O-2. The judge, J-U-D-G-E, judge. And, A-N-D, and. Told, T-O-L-D, told. Him, H-I-M, him. Their, T-H-E-I-R, their. Story, S-T-O-R-Y, story. I know, K-N-O-W, know. That, T-H-A-T, that. The camel was blind, B-L-I-N-D, blind. In right, R-I-G-H-T, right. E-Y-E, I. Because, B-E-C-A-U-S-E, because. I noticed, N-O-T-I-C-E-D, noticed. That, T-H-A-T, that. It had, H-A-D, had. Eaten, E-A-T-E-N, eaten. The grass, G-R-A-S-S, grass. Only, O-N-L-Y, only. On one side, S-I-D-E, side. Of the path, P-A-T-H, path. Answer, A-N-S-W-E-R, answer. The wise man asked, A-S-K-E-D, asked. By the judge, J-U-D-G-E, judge. How, H-O-W, how. Did you know, K-N-O-W, know. That the camel had lost a tooth, T-O-O-T-H, tooth. Asked the judge, whenever, W-H-E-N-E-V-E-R, whenever. The camel grazed, G-R-A-Z-E-D, grazed. A small, S-M-A-L-L, a small. Tuft, T-U-F-F, tuft of grass was left untouched, U-N-T-O-U-C-H-E-D, untouched. In the bunch, B-U-N-C-H, bunch. Said the wise man. How, H-O-W, how. Did you know, K-N-O-W, know. That the camel was lame in one left foot? Asked the judge, whenever it walked, W-A-L-K-E-D, walked. In the soft, S-O-F-T, soft. Sand, S-A-N-D, sand. Only 3 bear, B-E-A-R, bear. Footprints, F-O-O-T-P-R-I-N-T-S, footprints were made, M-A-D-E, made. Said the wise man, but how could, C-O-U-L-D, could you tell what, W-H-A-T, what the load, L-O-A-D, load was? Asked the judge. Surprisingly, S-U-R-P-R-I-S-I-N-G-L-Y, surprisingly, the wise man answered answered, answered. The busy, ants, ants, on one side, side, and the flies, flies, on the other, other, showed, showed, me, me, that the camel was loaded with wheat and honey. You are a wise man indeed, 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 said the judge, and I think you are an honest one. Then, then the judge said to the merchants, go and look for your camel. He has not stolen your camel. The merchants went away and found it not far away with the load untouched. तो फ्रेंड्स, आज के इस इंग्लिश रीडिंग प्रैक्टिस में बस इतना ही। आज की क्लास कैसा लगा है प्लीज कमेंट करके जरूर बताइएगा, और आज के इस क्लास को लाइक करके अपने सभी दोस्तों को शेयर कर दीजिएगा ताकि वे भी घर बैठे आसानी से इंग्लिश पढ़ने का अभ्यास करते रहें। और आप जो है चैनल पर नए हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करके बेल आइकन को प्रेस कर दीजिएगा ताकि इसी प्रकार की इंग्लिश के क्लास का वीडियो जो है आपके मोबाइल पर मिलता रहे। जय हिंद, फिर मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट इंग्लिश के क्लास में।